Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change Bluetooth device name in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your Bluetooth device name, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change Bluetooth device name in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to change Bluetooth device name. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. Then guys, scroll it and guys you can see Bluetooth and device settings. So guys, tap here and guys on your Bluetooth first of all, and guys click on Bluetooth setting, and guys you can see Bluetooth device name. So guys tap here and guys we will change into, so you can change into like and guys rename, tap here and guys come back. Then guys your Bluetooth device name will change like that. So guys you can change your Bluetooth device name yourself. So I hope friends you have understood how to change Bluetooth device name in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.